we are going to be learning about how we should multiply 3-digit numbers with other 3-digit numbers the fast way. Alright, so let's take an example. Let's say we have 123 and another digit 454. So just to show you, I'll just write it separately. That's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 4. So this is the first digit, the second digit and third digit. So this is how I'm going to be referring to the digits. Alright, so how do we do this? Now what we do is we multiply the first place digits, that's 1 into 4, and then we write 4 and then we put a slash. Just remember, this is not a division sign. And then what we do is that we take the first and the second digits, that's 1, 4 and 2, 5. So we cross multiply them and then add. So just remember that, cross multiply, multiply and add. This is a plus. Cross multiply and add. So what we do is 1 into 5, that's 5, plus 4 into 2, that's 8. So and then we put another slash. Then we take all the 3 digits together. Now what we do for this is we cross multiply the first and the third digits and then add them to the multiplication of these 2 digits. Let me just show you what I'm going to be doing. Alright, so 1 into 4, right? 1 into 4, it's 4. Then we add 4 into 3, that's 12, plus 2 into 5, that's 10. So I hope you get the pattern. So there is a pattern in all these things. Alright, so that's 10. And then we move on to the next number. That's 2 into 4. That's 8 plus 3 into 5, 15. It's just like this digit we did over here. It's like this one we did with the first and the second, and this one we did with the second and the third. And then we move on to the last digit. So just like we multiply the first digits together, we multiply the third or the last digits together too. That's 3 into 4. So we get 12. Alright, now we'll just add them up. Alright, so to add them up, I'm going to take a different color. Yeah. So we got 4 over here, then 5 plus 8, then 13. 4 plus 12 plus 10, that will make it 26. Then 8 plus 15, that's 23, and then we have 12. Alrighty, then we have to add these up. Now I'm just going to show you how to do that. We take the ones place digits as 2. If you have not seen my early videos, please just go ahead and check them. What I'm going to be doing is we'll take the tens place digit, that's 1, and move it on to this one. So we'll add it to this one. So we'll do plus 1. So this becomes 24. So just write that down, and we take this digit and we place it over here, 4, and then this 2 moves on, so plus 2, this becomes 28. Alright, so we take this 8 and then we put it over here, and then this 2 again moves on over here, and this is only because these are all 2-digit numbers. So we take the ones digit and place it over there, and the tens digit, it moves on to the next place. So 2 will come over here, so plus 2, and that makes it 15. So 5 will move on, and 1 will get carried over there. So 4 plus 1, and that's 5. So 5. So the final answer, I suppose, is 55842. Let's just go ahead and check that with the calculator. Alright, so what were the digits? Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3 into 4, 5, 4 equal to. So that's 55842. Awesome, we got the right answer. Now let's just take another example just to be sure. Alright, so let's say we have 981 multiplied by 220. So how are you going to do this? Now I'm not going to leave any space. I want you guys to do this and try it and see if the answer is coming correct for you guys too. Now let's just leave some space. Yeah, so 9 into 2, that's 18, and then we do cross multiplication with the these 2 digits. I'll just name it for clarification. 1, 2. So 1 second and the first and the second. sorry about that, 9 into 2, so that's 18 plus 2 into 8, that's 16, and then we put another slash, and then we go ahead with the 1, 2 and 3 digits. So we do 9 into 0, that's 0, just be careful about that. Then we add it to 2 into 1, that's 2, and then we also add it to 8 into 2, that's 16, and then we put another slash. Alright, then we go on to the second and the third. So we multiply 8 into 0, that's 0, plus 2 into 1, that's 2, and then we move on to the next, that's 1 into 0. Yeah, that's 1 into 0, and that's 0 already. So what we do is put a 0, we'll just add them up, right? So we put the 0, and then this becomes 2, this becomes 18, 16 plus 18, how much is that? 34, and then we have 18. Alright, now to the final step, we have to move on and carry over the ones. So I'll just show you. So we have 0, 2, because these are all one digit numbers, and then we have 8, and then this 1 will move on, so it will become plus 1, and this becomes 35, so this 5 stays, and this 3 will move on over here, so it gets added to that, and that becomes 21. So 21580, voila, and that's the answer. Let's just check that out with a calculator. Alright, so yeah, what were the digits? The digits were 981 into 220, alright, is equal to 21580. Lovely, we got the answer correct. So if you see, we can actually use this with 4-digit numbers also, and I'm just going to be showing that to you in the next video. Bye bye, thanks guys.